Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this Infinix. Firstly, access tab menu and look for location shortcut right away. When you find it, click on it. Then choose close in this pop-up and go back to tab menu. As you can see, after that, location of this smartphone is off. But you can always switch it on by clicking on the same now white icon. If you want to, you can always go into settings and click on location section instead. Then manage it by clicking on this switcher next to location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!